Nagdaos ang Bureau of Immigration o BI ng dialogo na naglalayong matugunan ng mga problema kaugnay sa mga immigration policies ng bansa. Ito ang balita ni Victor Cosare.
Sa layuning mas maipaunawa ang mga pulisiya na may kinalaman sa mga dayuhang bumibisita sa bansa, isang dialogo ang isinagawa na tatalakay sa immigration policies at guidelines ng Bureau of Immigration. Buwanan ng isasagawang Consultative Council on Immigration Matters kung saan dumalo ang kinatawan ng mga konsulada, foreign chambers at Immigration Lawyers Association of the Philippines. Unang tinalakay ang proseso ng visa extension. Positibo naman ang naging tugon ng mga dumalo sa hakbang na ito ng Immigration Bureau.
Foreigners like us will be able to actually be personally and directly communicate with immigrations, especially on matters of concerns that are sometimes on the gray line.
I believe that it's long overdue in terms of opening the channels for more dialogue between the Bureau of Immigration and the various stakeholders.
Our laws that we've been practicing here existed as early as 1940. So the developments are just incorporated in circulars. So if you're not kept abreast with what's happening or if you're not a daily visitor of the Bureau, di mo nalalaman kung ano yung mga changes.
Bukas din ang kawanihan sa mga suwestyon kung paano mas mapapabuti ang proseso. Ayon kay Bureau of Immigration Commissioner Sigfred Mison, pabor din ang kanyang tanggapan na imbitahan sila ng ibang ahensya.
Hindi naman ganun ka broad yung aming network and coverage. That's why we invite these people to invite us.
Subalit ayon sa isa sa mga abogadong miyembro ng Immigration Lawyers Association of the Philippines, karaniwan sa mga idinudulog na problema ng mga dayuhang bumibisita sa Pilipinas ay ang pagproseso ng kanilang visa. Pero ayon kay Mison, unti-unti na itong natutugunan.
The most common issues I would suppose are prevalent right now is the processing periods of how we can expedite, because what I always hear is that it takes several days, several weeks for visa process to complete the visa processes. But
So we try to identify what are the things that we can really compress, get rid of, just to make processing faster. Kasi we would like to encourage the good guys to really come to us para they can comply with immigration law.
Sa susunod na pagkakataon ay nakatakdang pag-usapan ang working visa at special permits, alert list order, dual citizenship recognition at iba pa. Victor Cosare, UNTV News, Worldwide.